Affiliate Marketing: How to Make Money Online, E-commerce Courses. Introduction. Welcome to this comprehensive lesson on affiliate marketing, a dynamic and rewarding online business model that allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services. 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote products or services through unique affiliate links. 2. Benefits and opportunities. Explore the advantages of affiliate marketing, such as low startup costs, flexibility, and the potential for passive income. Section 2. Getting started as an affiliate marketer. 3. Choosing a niche. Select a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and target audience. Focusing on a specific niche allows you to establish yourself as an authority. 4. Joining affiliate programs. Research and join reputable affiliate programs or networks. Popular networks include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareSale, and CJ Affiliate. Section 3. Building your affiliate marketing strategy. 5. Creating a platform. Choose a platform to promote affiliate products. Options include a blog, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or a dedicated website. 6. Content creation. Produce high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Write informative blog posts, create engaging videos, or design eye-catching infographics. 7. Incorporating affiliate links. Strategically place affiliate links within your content. Ensure they are seamlessly integrated and relevant to the topic. Section 4. Techniques and optimization. 8. SEO and keyword research. Optimize your content for search engines by conducting keyword research and incorporating relevant keywords naturally. 9. Email marketing. Build an email list and send targeted campaigns to your subscribers, featuring valuable content and affiliate promotions. 10. Social media marketing. Leverage social media platforms to share content, engage with your audience, and promote affiliate products. Section 5. Tracking and performance analysis. 11. Monitoring conversions. Use tracking tools provided by affiliate programs to monitor clicks, sales, and conversions generated through your affiliate links. 12. Analyzing performance. Regularly review your analytics to identify top-performing products, channels, and campaigns. Adjust your strategies based on data insights. Section 6. Scaling your affiliate marketing business. 13. Diversification and expansion. As your affiliate marketing efforts grow, consider expanding your product offerings, exploring different affiliate programs. 14. Networking and partnerships. Build relationships with other affiliate marketers, bloggers, and industry influencers to collaborate and share insights. Remember, success in affiliate marketing requires continuous learning, adaptability, and a focus on providing value to your audience.